Hey guys, let's get straight to the point. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to apply the Hostinger coupon code 2026, step by step, and you'll see the final price before paying. This works best for new users, and you don't need to manually enter any coupon code. First, click the Hostinger coupon code link in the video description. This step is very important because the Hostinger discount is automatically applied. There is no need to type any coupon code manually. This is the safest way to get the real Hostinger coupon code. Step 2. Choose your hosting type. Web hosting, blogs, WordPress, small websites, cloud hosting, business or growing websites, agency hosting, multiple client websites, VPS hosting, high traffic or advanced projects. In this video, I'm choosing web hosting because it's perfect for most beginners. Step 3. Choose your country. This matters because Hostinger prices and offers change based on region, so this helps you get the best available deal. Step 4. Now scroll down to see the plans. You'll notice a plan marked Most Popular. These labels are helpful if you're a beginner. Choose your plan based on number of websites, storage, performance needs. Step 5. Once you click Choose Plan, you'll reach the Order Summary page. Here, you can select the billing period, 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, 48 months. Pro tip, longer plans give you the lowest monthly price, so you save more in the long run. Step 6. Now look carefully. You can see a 20% referral discount already applied. And this is because you used my Hostinger coupon code link. No fake codes, no manual typing. This discount is real, working, and verified. Also remember, you get a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't like the service, you can get a full refund. So this is a 100% zero-risk deal. Final steps. Now click Continue. Enter your email, set a password, complete the payment. Once done, you'll receive a confirmation email from Hostinger. And that's it. You've successfully claimed Hostinger hosting at a huge discount. Free domain on eligible plans, free SSL, and one of the cheapest hosting prices available today. All of this in under 2 minutes. If you have any questions, comment below and tell me. Are you buying hosting for blogging, business, or WordPress? I reply to every comment personally. Don't forget to check the description for the Hostinger coupon link before the offer expires.